Hi guys, welcome to Trending Theatre channel. Hope you're doing good. So this is Ram. So quickly we will analyze what happened to our weekly positions and how we booked 6,000 rupees profit today, and what are the new positions we have taken for the next week. So before going to that, let's see Nifty how it is behaved today. So if I go to Nifty 50 chart, so morning it has gapped up, and after gapping up, there is a profit booking. Then continuously it was coming down. Then it consolidated, then around 1 p.m. it spiked up and it reached almost 16,350. Then it again consolidated and it ended up in 16,300. So guys, this is the very choppy market today. The market was moving up and down. So there many stop loss would have triggered for many traders. So, but in our case, we already know that our max loss is only 6,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees. Sorry. So even if Nifty gapped up and it opened almost and it went up continuously, then still our loss is limited to 2,000 rupees. So having that, I didn't touch my positions today. So around 2 p.m. My loss is almost 800 rupees. But I waited because 800 rupees loss, nothing wrong. We can hold and we can wait for the day. So I waited for the day. It took the support. It took the resistance at that place, and again it came to 13,300. So because of this, I almost booked 6,000 rupees profit in the current week. So which is almost 2% of my capital. So if I go to Astra Software, you can see. So I have closed the positions with 6,000 rupees profit, almost 2% of my capital. So the capital I used is 3 lakhs. I have added few hedges. So my capital is almost 3 lakhs, just 2% of my capital. So I have, so for the current week, I have closed all the positions and I closed with 6,000 rupees profit. So this is this is the excellent week, guys, because we have learnt many things. Because the market was trending continuously from Monday to Wednesday, and even today it was very volatile. So this week we have learnt many adjustments and we survived the volatility. So this is the excellent week. So we can have this week as a learning opportunity, and in coming weeks we will try to still learn many new things. So this is the guys. So this is the positions. So I have closed this week in profits, and if I go to my Astra software. So today I have booked on almost 24,000 profit. So I have taken some new positions. So that was I have taken. So the new position is I have taken in Nifty. I have taken in Bank Nifty. So this is the new positions I have taken. I will show you in Astra sector like what are the maximum loss and maximum profit. So as of now, my total MTM is almost 24,000 for this week. So if I go to Upstart software, so we will analyze for Nifty. So this is the positions I have taken: 16,000 PE, 16,550 CE, 16,450 CE. So why I have taken this? Still I'm bullish on Nifty. So if Nifty is continuously moving up, I'll be in profit. Then I will have some minor loss if it moves again continuously, but I will manage this. So this is the positions for this week. I have taken both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let's watch these positions in the coming days, how it goes, and how I am doing multiple adjustments to get to stay in profit. So this is the positions of Nifty. If I come to Bank Nifty, so I have taken in Bank Nifty too. Yes, so Bank Nifty I'm slightly bearish. So the reason is I will tell you in the other video, because I have taken a pair hedging, like bullish in Nifty and bearish in Bank Nifty. So this is because I have on standard adjustments that I need to follow when market is moving very violently. So I will tell you in some other video why I'm doing this. So now, say if Bank Nifty is going continuously down, I won't be having any losses, only 2,000 rupees loss. If Bank Nifty is going up, like, and it is going up very violently, I'll be doing the adjustments. So guys, so this is the two positions I'm holding for this week. So I'll be analyzing these positions in coming days, and let's see how it goes. So this is the excellent week, and we learned many things, many new adjustments we learned. So hopefully we'll learn many new things in the coming market in the coming days. So I'm also maintaining I'm also maintaining on Excel to track my profit and loss for every week. So this week we have closed almost 5,000 rupees, 500. 500 rupees I have reduced for the brokerage. So the ROE is almost 2% of my capital. So this week we have ended up in profit. So we will track all the weeks like how we are, whether we are closing in profit and the learning spirit, everything we will track it. So guys, hope you like this video. So please subscribe the channel and also share this video to your friends. So this will be like a very great opportunity for them. Like they will be learning with me the strategy, what I am doing, the adjustments, how I am making, everything they can learn. So please subscribe to the channel and also share this video to friends without forget. Thank you so much, guys. Oh.